Okay, so let's really check 25 volatility 25. Okay, as you get, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Oh my god, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Oh my god. Okay, see what happened right here. This was exactly what I was actually telling you guys. See, okay, there's a 1 2 3 move over here playing out. Okay, we have a support over here. Have a support over here. There's a 1 2 3 move really playing. You can enter a sell on volatility 25 right now. See, another one is really playing out. Okay, see, guys, it's really simple as that. What's your entry point right here? Let me mark up your entry point for you. Trading can be easy when you settle down to learn. Okay, entry point 1, entry point 2, and entry point 3 right here has really been created. As simple as that, nothing much. Okay, you can see there's a 1 2 3 move I'm talking about, because you can actually, once you see a market falling like this with a great momentum, you can there's no reason for you to enter that market. Okay, you only enter the market at a high. Okay, maybe a breakout from a breakout from a support or resistance, something like that. That's when we enter the market. Okay, see, yeah, I believe on the H4 there must be a support around the zone. Okay, so there's the high to the low. Okay, there's one. This is second move. This is third move. Your entry point is always on the third move. Okay, you enter the market, you would have made, I don't need to tell you how much you would have made. Okay, you're really saying it yourself. Your entry point is always at this point. Your target, okay, your target to me should be on this high over here. Okay, just above this side. Okay, just above this side. All right. And then what's your take profit? Your take profit normally should be below this low. Okay, below this low, or you can choose to go something below the low. Okay, or something like that. Okay, or below there, something anyone you choose. Okay, and see what happened. Had a $3 stop loss against an $18 take profit. This is mad. This is not rocket science. This is just pure strategy. Okay, and again, and the market came back again to that same level. You take a sell right here. See what's gonna happen. Finally, you happen to have a $4 stop loss. $5 stop loss on this one, and extended take profit. What's your take profit level? You target this last level. You target it. You take it down. So boom, you having a $20 take profit against a $5 stop loss. Tell me why you don't need to learn how to trade. Tell me why the strategy is not really cool for you. You can really enter over here again. But before you do this, no, always bear something in mind, okay? Let's look at the 4 hours right now. Let's see what we have on the 4 hours that really triggered a kind of market pattern like this. Okay, let's check the 4 hours. Let's see what's gonna happen in the 4 hours. Okay, the 4 hours is a little bit chubby, but that doesn't mean anything. You can really, first of all, like I said, always play out your support and resistance. But at this point, it happens to be that we have a trend line is gonna be the key in this area. Okay, it happens to be the trend line is gonna be the key in this area. Okay. All right, so let's zoom in and see what really happened in the market. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, it's very obvious. The move in the market is very. I tell you guys that booming crash. Sorry, I said booming crash. Volatility indexes really respect support and resistances. As you can see, even if you have to catch this, the market over here, this was a kind of market rejections on the 4 hours. Okay, and I think it was up to 5. There's something I call 5-fix rejection strategy. I'll still come to that. I'll still teach you guys. It's what we call 5-fix rejection strategy over here. I think where it really happened is somewhere here. You always take your market on the 5th candle. Okay, so let's count this one. over here. It really happened from the lowest low is over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly on the fifth candle, you take your sell. Okay, it depends on the place it's happened. You don't just take it. You don't just take trades whenever you see 5 week rejections. Okay, you have to. It normally comes with support and resistance. Okay, if the market is on the support, and if you're having that, what is going? You're having that. Sorry, you're really having that. What is it called again? 5 week rejection. So you actually take a sell if the market is on a resistance. But if the market is on a support, you're having a 5 week rejection, take a back. Okay, it's really like that. So over here too, it really happened. As you can see, I think from the lowest low is over here. This was the lowest in the market. Come to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, on the fifth candle, this is the fifth candle over here, and the market really dropped. Boom. Okay. So over here, as you can see right here, this was really what triggered the move on the 5 minute. The market hit the 4 hours. The 4 hours really did hit a resistance, okay, causing the market to reverse or drop back. It's very, very simple as that, guys. It's very, very simple. And as you can see, I was able to catch 2 trading sections using this strategy just on one pair. Just on one pair, guys. Just on one pair. Okay. Strategy is very, very late, guys. It's very, very late. Okay. I'll try as much as possible to include volatility indexes as signals this time around, because I think that's more we understand it. Like I said yesterday, you can take a sell on volatility 25. It's really gonna sell probably down to this area. Okay, it's gonna sell down to that area, but right now you have to consider something. Okay, this is really what you have to consider. This you have, as you can see over here, you're having weak rejections on this zone. You're really having weak rejections on this zone. So I think there's a support over here. So have to bear that in mind. Have to bear that in mind. As you can see, the market, the first candle really got to that point and rejected it. So I think we're having a support right there. The market have tested that zone about 4 times right now. Okay. Market tested that zone 4 times. This is the one, this 2, and this is the third one over here. The next one is here. So the market really that zone, so making it a very, very strong uh, support. So what do you have to do right now? You have to relax and cool down. What are you waiting for? You're waiting for a breakout and a retest on this H4. Once the market breaks and retest on this H4, you go to the 5 minutes time frame and make money. Okay, it's just as simple as that. This is it, guys. So I think today's class is really going to come to an end, and let's make room for questions, please. If you have a question you would want to ask, you can ask your question right now. Please, if you have any question you want to ask, please go ahead and ask your question. Or is everything clear?
Yeah, keyword has got everything clear.
Alrighty. Alright, that's good. Anybody else who needs clarification, please? Okay. I think we should call it a day. In absence of no question, we're gonna end today. As you can see over here, VIX is very, very sweet to trade, especially this 25. It's very easy and sweet to trade. Okay. When do you like normally when you actually take trades, when you go down to this, when this strategy works is when you see something like this. Okay, when you see something like this, as you can see, maybe in the first time you won't actually conclude that this is a resistance. Okay, you won't conclude that this is a resistance. So you just have to tag it as a normal stop. But if you want to identify that the market is gonna sell down to, you can move down to the 5 minutes and take a trade. Okay, so the market came down, touched that zone, went back. As you can see right here, we have a little bit of support, there's a resistance over here, which made the market actually drop back. Okay, so finally the market gets to this point again. I don't need to tell you to rush down to 5 minutes and take a trade. I don't need to tell you to go down to 5 minutes and take a trade. I'm not trying to say that you can't take buys, from support, but mainly we are seeing massive drops from the resistances. Okay, this is a clear market profit. This is a clear market profit. This is a clear market profit. Okay, this is a clear market profit. 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 Opportunities comes every single day. Okay, here we'll have a breakout and retest, and market dropped. All right, guys. This is Picture signing up, guys.
This is keyboard busy signing up.
All right, babe. All right, yeah. Take care of yourself, man.